Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 car LED headlight. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. As the item number 3 we've selected, Xstorm D1S D2S Day D4S D8S. Specifications. Brand name, Xstorm. Car brand, Universal. Wattage, 100 watts high power. Color temperature, 6500 K. Voltage, 12 volts. Lumen, 3000 LM super bright. Size, 1:1 original xenon bulb. Warranty, 1 year. The item number 2 is Xstorm 120 watts H7. Specifications. Brand name, Xstorm. Voltage, 12 volts. Color temperature, 6500 K. Car model, Universal. Wattage, 120 watts/pair high power. Lumen, 22,000 LM super bright. Working voltage, 12 volts to 24 volts. Waterproof, IP68. Material, Aviation 6063 aluminum. On the top of our list at number 1 we have, Super Bright 2000 LM car headlights. Specifications. Brand name, Sand. Light source, with upgraded CSB LED chips. Power, 110 watts/pair 55 watts/bulb. Lumen, 2000 LM/pair 1000 LM/bulb. Color temperature, 6500 K white. Work voltage V, DC 12 volts. Current A, 4.5 A plus or -0.2 A. Working temperature, -40 plus 80 degrees Celsius. Material, red copper. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day and we'll see you back here soon.